Hello and welcome to our last section, verifying the security setup. In this section we are going to take a look at how to keep an eye on your security settings by running a port scanner regularly automated and performing vulnerability scans regularly automated. We are now looking at running a port scanner. In this video I want to show you how to run a port scanner automatically on a regular basis. What we want for this? We want to run the port scanner on a daily basis without needing any interaction from us. And we want an email, but only if there are differences in the setup. So there's a new port or a port is removed for whatever reason. We want to know about that. This is how we configure this. We first have to install some necessary packages for our Linux distribution. If you're in Debian Ubuntu, it's apt-get install git mailutils nmap, or if you're on Red Hat CentOS, yum install git mailx nmap. Then we get the automation script. We clone a Git repository from GitHub. Then we install the script. As you can see, I already installed the necessary packages on the server. Now I will clone the Git repository from GitHub. As per my instructions, I will go into the subdirectory auto-nmap and execute the install script. As our final step, we need to set up the right configuration. So we added the configuration file in etc. In this file, there are only two important settings we have to configure. The first is the scan subnet item. Here we set an entry that is for our service we want to scan on a daily basis. For the sake of this example, I'll just scan the local host. The other item you have to change is the email recipients. These can be multiple recipients or just one. It can be on the local Linux machine, it can be on the internet. I'll just select the local root account. And now everything is done. On a daily basis, the server will be scanned, and if there is a difference, an email will be generated. This slide shows you once again what you need to configure in the auto-nmap config file in the etc directory. You only have to set the scan subnets and email recipients items. And that's all you have to do.